If you want to know how to make Google Chrome safer, stay tuned and find out. I made my Google Chrome use safer just by adding 3 extensions. The first one is honestly the best ad blocker I've tried. It's called Fair Ad Blocker. It doesn't only block ads, it also blocks malware. You should get it. The second one is MalwareBits browser extension. 4.5 stars. It's only on the beta version, but it is great. It claims to make your surfing 3 times faster. It blocks you from malware, clickbait, cryptojackers, and a lot of malicious software and PUPs. And the third one on the list is Windows Defender browser protection at 4 stars. Combined with the MalwareBits extension, these two websites, I mean, these two extensions have saved me numerous times just today. They block suspicious websites like you were paying for it. They are great. I really recommend all of the 3 things I mentioned. You should really check them out.